Hello and good morning, I'm Professor Code and this is the Forex Supermodel Racing Review for Thursday the 13th of January 2022. Have a quick look at yesterday's results then, Wednesday the 12th. We had no filter one, which is our structural filter, but we have an alternate at Leicester. It was a three-runner race, National Hunt 150. We were looking at obviously at the three in the race. Number one was Barna Vidian, or however you say it. We suggested that one was going to be a poor jumper, and in actual fact it unseated the rider. So we then decided it was between these two, it was between the odds-on favourite, Dusart, which won at 2-7, and we're on this number 3, Sail Away. We got an average of 61 at a quarter of a unit, and it went out a little bit. It went out to 17-2, 8.5 to 1. So we didn't quite get the top odds, but it gave this 2-7 favourite a good run for its money, and no real complaints there. That was a solid run, solid analysis, and it didn't quite come off. So we're back to 50 units profit overall on the account, but that was worth a go. And unfortunately today, so we are Thursday the 13th, we've got no filter ones or alternates. We've been right the way through all the cards. And they're very competitive and messy, so we're not going to have a go today, but we hopefully will get back in the market tomorrow. So there's a lot of racing coming through now. So anyway, thanks for watching and goodbye.